Hello, my darlings. Hello, my darlings. Oh, your girl is going. Your girl is traveling now. I'm in Johannesburg in Julius. I'm starting my journey now to go to Swaziland. So that is where I'm going to get my taxi there. So this is what's happening. I don't have money for taxi. I don't have money for transport. So I'm just going to try there to see if those people will give me money. If I can withdraw from that place. Oh yes. Yo, I can imagine falling in here. Imagine. Yeah. Places like this needs to be closed. Needs to be closed. I don't know what that guy is selling. I'm trying to think where he got that thing from. So I'm going to this tax shoppy. So I'm going to try to swipe here. I don't know if I'll be lucky to get it, but I think so. Hello. How are you? Can I swipe and get money? Okay. How much is it? How much do you charge if I want to swipe and get money?
For how much would swipe?
1,000 man.
Okay.
How much can I get?
The 100 down.
No, 100 is too small. Because I want to travel. I want to go to the bank. 100 rand, how much do you charge me? 10 rand. It's okay. Why only 10 rand? Why only 100 rand?
Because I don't have money.
Yo.
Yeah,
Hey.
same stuff.
Even 500.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
This time where you can't money. Think
Is it?
Money I make it.
It's okay. It's right.
What is this? What is that?
It's a camera.
So you're shooting me now?
No, I don't shoot people, me. I just shoot myself and do my own thing. Oh. You see it's shooting me. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'll be doing.
How much now this one?
Yo, my guy.
Huh?
The Lord is our shepherd.
Expensive, this.
Not too much. Not too much.
It's too much?
I said not too much.
You can give me now.
This one?
50.
Yay! Hey. Yeah.
You see now?
If anyone gives me this thing, I carry that person with my bag.
Serious?
Yeah.
I will give you it.
Serious?
Yeah.
You have my card then? Eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Cigarette too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
So.
They said I must come and bring Coco's money.
Oh.
From Frank.
Thank you.
I must give it to you.
Sarah, huh?
Babu.
See, beg it.
Zabo.
Ure mashamar.
Rulem.
Ure mashamar.
Feni.
Ndimba.
Yekuondeko.
Kunukondeko. So yeah, I got 100 rand from my friend there. I thought I'll get even 500 so that I don't have to go to the ATM. Angeruza manje ba video ndinongondishota nje. Oh. Apa uri kuitsekwa?
Renovation.
Oh, okay. Of the house or ejurao?
Inside. You guys are doing
Yep. Mana ndikuchika kunonoka mana ndochokwadi chaicho ichi. Ndikuchika kunonoka ndochokwadi chaicho ichi. Waona kamera? Uyasha uyaubatsirwa mana.
Mani mapicha akupisa mama. Ndiwasiye.
What are Yes, what was it doing?
Opa esikutheni? Eso.
Kuwaona iyayo madodwaro ariyo. Okay. Oh, tena chibata nchere.
The daughter of Tina big so that people can see I'm traveling, you know. Oh yes. In that day, so. So guys, let's go together to the taxi ring where I'm going to get transport to Swaziland.
Only one.
I was staying in this building, this one before. Nkosi puti, nkosi kakhuleva. Thanks. So I don't know where I'll get the taxi, where I'll get it, but I have to ask. I have to ask. Malam puti. Kala no phazamisa. Ngicela ubuza. I-taxi Swaziland, transport Swaziland. Straight. Nkosi puti eva. So I got directions to where I'll get transport. This is North Tax Wanderers taxi ring. Wanderers taxi ring. This is where people who are going to Mozambique get their transport. Botswana, Pietermaritzburg, Polokwane, Messina, KZN get their transport. This is the biggest long distance transport terminus in Johannesburg. So these people are going to Mozambique here. I'm going to Swaziland. I'm praying that I get a transport that is almost full so that we just leave. Swaziland or Eswatini. Swaziland. Because it looks like I'm getting transport now. Swaziland. Nice. Nice. Mbabane.
Not pass now.
Yeah, taxi drivers are helpful at the taxi rank. Just an advice as well. If you are looking for transport, don't ask just anyone. You must ask the taxi drivers. Okay. The rice isn't that. Nah, of course.
Passport in the 350 app. Hola.
Swaziland, Mbabane?
Yeah.
Okay. Nali?
350.
Okay. It's 350 to get to Swaziland from Johannesburg. To get to Mbabane from Swaziland. Don't let people fool you and tell you that traveling is expensive. You can actually travel on a budget. I'm just going to quickly change my battery since it's dying, and then I'll resume this video now. Yeah. What's the button? What's that code? I've changed the battery.
Yeah, worry, months. Hello, ma'am.
I put it.
Months.
Cause done.
Yeah, worry.
Look for my passport.
Worry.
Where my passport stays. My passport is very important to me.
Months.
Hello. Mbabane. Ngabongena free check something. I just want to quickly check the directions and be sure that I'm buying the right ticket. Just quickly checking the directions so that I know I take the right ticket.
Yeah, Naman.
Eswatini. Yeah.
Man.
What's the rest? What number server?
So this is the transport I'm using. I like sitting in front. So I hope I'll get the front seat. I hope I'll get the front seat. The car looks clean. I'm so excited.
You paid 350.
Olefer.
Yeah, mama.
Jen.
Yeah, pin Johnny.
You're right.
What's that open?
Cape Town.
What number server?
34.
Pineapple, pera. Pineapple, pineapple. Pineapple, pera. Pineapple. Banana. Banana.
069
069
615
615
6441.
6441.
Tell me that. Transit detective.
Bwana anasukuma mama mtu akasukuma.
Oh, okay. There is one bag.
Edri, mazimba.
What color? Bag. Okay. Oh. I say, condom tap. Condom. Guys, the way I want my front seats. So I want the front seat and the front seat is taken. Let me try to offer this guy, lunch so that I can sit in front. Just want to try. Dada, are you funny lunch? I'm really desperate for a front seat. I can buy lunch for you. Please. I like to sit in the front because I do vlogging. So I can buy lunch for anyone who can offer me the seat. Please. Please. And thank you so much. Let me give you now. Yo, the front seat is my life. Oh, looking for 50 rand. But I'll check it now. Thank you so much, man. Yo, guys, my life is made now. Hesh. Guys, I can't manage sitting in the back. How do I take videos if I sit at the back? Oh, they're nice people here. There are nice people. There are two nice people in this world. They agreed. So I'm now in France.
Mama.
Guys. No. Are you sitting here or here? Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
Yes. Hey? Ngiyakwazi ukufaka. Oh, I thought maybe ngiyabantu basemva. Okay, angizoyifaka. Soseva. Okay. Kasakhulu. Just checking my passport to make sure I have my passport. You know how it is with passport, guys. You know how it is with passport.